Are you tired of constantly buying disposable cleaning products? Every time you clean, you find yourself reaching for another single-use item, only to throw it away moments later. It's not just inconvenient, it's wasteful. Do you worry about their impact on the environment? The chemicals in these products can be harmful, and the plastic packaging contributes to pollution. It's a cycle that seems hard to break. There's a better way to keep your home clean and fresh. Imagine a cleaning routine that not only leaves your home sparkling but also aligns with your values of sustainability and environmental care. Let's explore the world of DIY reusable disinfecting rags. These rags are not just a trend, they are a practical solution to a pressing problem. You can make them from old clothes or towels, giving new life to items you might otherwise discard. These rags are easy to make and gentle on the planet. They require minimal effort to create and can be used over and over again. Plus, they are just as effective, if not more so, than their disposable counterparts. They're also a great way to save money. Think about how much you spend on disposable wipes and cleaning products each month. By switching to reusable rags, you can significantly cut down on these costs. Say goodbye to expensive disposable wipes and hello to a more sustainable cleaning routine. Embracing reusable cleaning products is a small change that can make a big difference. Not only will you reduce waste, but you'll also feel good knowing you're making a positive impact on the environment. Involve your family in the process. Teaching children about sustainable practices from a young age can instill lifelong habits. Make it a fun activity to create and use these rags together. There are also many eco-friendly cleaning products available on the market. Look for items that use natural ingredients and come in recyclable or biodegradable packaging. These products are designed to be effective while minimizing environmental harm. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. With the right tools and mindset, it can be a rewarding experience. Knowing that you're contributing to a healthier planet can make the task more enjoyable. So, take the first step towards a more sustainable cleaning routine today. Your home will be just as clean, and you'll be doing your part to protect the environment. It's a win-win situation. Join the quest for sustainable cleaning and make a difference, one rag at a time. Together, we can create a cleaner, greener future for everyone. Disposable wipes seem convenient, but they come with hidden costs. They generate a huge amount of waste. Most wipes are not biodegradable. This means they sit in landfills for years and years. The chemicals in some wipes can be harmful too. They can pollute our waterways and harm wildlife. Plus, constantly buying disposable wipes adds up over time. DIY reusable disinfecting rags offer a natural and effective alternative. You can make them with just a few simple ingredients. These rags are washable and reusable, reducing waste. They're also free of harsh chemicals, making them safe for your family and pets. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to make. To make your own disinfecting rags, you'll need a few basic supplies. Gather some old cotton t-shirts or towels. These fabrics work best for absorbing liquids. You'll also need a jar with a lid for storing your rags. Finally, choose your favorite essential oils. Tea tree, lavender, and lemon are all great options for their disinfecting properties. Section 5. Choosing the right fabric. When selecting fabric for your rags, opt for natural materials like cotton. Cotton is absorbent and durable, making it ideal for cleaning. Avoid using synthetic fabrics like polyester, as they don't absorb liquids as well. Old t-shirts, towels, or even flannel sheets can be repurposed into effective cleaning rags. This not only saves money but also reduces waste, making it an eco-friendly choice. Section 6. The power of essential oils. Essential oils have been used for centuries for their therapeutic and medicinal properties. Today, they are more popular than ever, not just for personal care, but also for household cleaning. These potent plant extracts can transform your cleaning routine, making it more effective and enjoyable. Essential oils are the key to giving your rags their disinfecting power. When added to your cleaning rags, they not only help to eliminate germs and bacteria, but also leave behind a pleasant aroma that can uplift your mood and make your home smell wonderful. Tea tree oil is a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent. This powerful oil can be used to clean surfaces, disinfect your rags, and even help to purify the air. Its strong medicinal scent is a testament to its potent properties, making it a must-have in any natural cleaning arsenal. Lavender oil offers similar benefits and has a calming scent. Known for its relaxing properties, lavender oil can help to create a serene atmosphere in your home. When used in cleaning, it not only disinfects but also leaves a soothing fragrance that can help to reduce stress and promote a sense of well-being. Lemon oil is a natural degreaser and has a refreshing aroma. This citrusy oil is excellent for cutting through grease and grime, making it perfect for kitchen cleaning. Its bright, invigorating scent can also help to energize and refresh your space, leaving it smelling clean and fresh. Feel free to experiment with different oil combinations to find your favorite scents. Mixing oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, or rosemary with the ones mentioned can create unique blends that not only enhance your cleaning power, but also provide a variety of aromatic benefits. The possibilities are endless, and you can tailor your cleaning solutions to suit your personal preferences and needs. Section 7. Assembling your disinfecting rags. In this section, we will guide you through the simple yet effective process of creating your own disinfecting rags at home. These rags are not only cost-effective but also customizable to your cleaning needs. Now it's time to put it all together. Gather all your materials: fabric, essential oils, a jar, and water. Having everything ready will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Cut your chosen fabric into squares of your desired size. The size can vary depending on your cleaning tasks. Smaller squares are great for quick wipe downs, while larger ones are perfect for more extensive cleaning jobs. Fill your jar with water and add a few drops of your chosen essential oils. Essential oils not only add a pleasant scent but also have natural disinfecting properties. Popular choices include tea tree oil, lavender, and eucalyptus. Submerge the fabric squares in the water oil mixture, ensuring they are fully saturated. This step is crucial as it allows the fabric to absorb the disinfecting solution thoroughly, making your rags more effective. Seal the jar tightly and store your rags in a cool, dark place. Proper storage helps maintain the effectiveness of the essential oils and keeps your rags ready for use whenever you need them. Remember to label the jar with the date to keep track of their freshness. Section 8. Using and caring for your rags. To use your disinfecting rags, simply wring out any excess liquid and wipe down surfaces as needed. The essential oils will naturally disinfect and deodorize your home. After use, toss the rags into your regular laundry load to wash and reuse. Avoid using fabric softener, as it can reduce the absorbency of the rags. Section 9. Embrace a greener clean. Making your own disinfecting rags is a simple yet powerful step towards a more eco-friendly lifestyle. By reducing waste and using natural ingredients, you're creating a healthier home for yourself and the planet. So why not give it a try? You'll be amazed at how easy and effective it can be. Plus, you'll feel great knowing you're making a positive impact on the environment.